Did you know that nearly 80% of people give up on their New Year's fitness resolutions by February? It's true, staying consistent with workouts is hard. Life gets busy, motivation fades. We've all been there. The good news? It doesn't have to be this way. You can make working out a regular part of your life. The key is understanding how habits work. By applying a few simple strategies, you can transform your workouts from a chore into a routine. Ready to ditch the yo-yo fitness cycle and build lasting habits? Let's get started. Forget intense motivation, it's fleeting and unreliable. True success lies in building strong habits. Habits are behaviors we perform automatically, without thinking. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't rely on willpower each morning, right? It's a habit, ingrained in your routine. Exercise can be the same way. When you turn working out into a habit, it becomes effortless. No more internal battles or negotiations. You just do it like clockwork. Let's explore some practical tips to make fitness a natural part of your life. One of the biggest mistakes people make is setting unrealistic goals. Don't try to go from zero to hero overnight. Start small, celebrate wins, and build momentum. Instead of aiming for an hour-long gym session, begin with 15 minutes of walking. Can't face the gym yet? Do a quick workout at home. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to exercise for 15 minutes daily than to go all out once and burn out. Small steps lead to big changes over time. As you gain confidence and consistency, gradually increase the intensity or duration of your workouts. You've got this. Everything is more fun with a friend, and working out is no exception. Having a workout buddy provides support, motivation, and accountability. Find someone with similar fitness goals. Schedule regular workout sessions together. You're less likely to skip a workout when you know someone is counting on you. Plus, working out with a friend adds a social element to your routine, making it more enjoyable and something to look forward to. Don't underestimate the power of a supportive community. Join a fitness class, sports team, or online group to connect with like-minded individuals. Schedule your sweat, make time for fitness. We schedule important meetings and appointments, right? Treat your workouts with the same level of importance. Block off time in your calendar specifically for exercise. Choose a time that works best for you. Morning workouts are great for boosting energy levels. Evening sessions can help relieve stress. Experiment and find what fits your schedule and preferences. By scheduling your workouts, you're more likely to stick to them. It becomes a non-negotiable part of your day, just like brushing your teeth or eating dinner. Variety is the spice of fitness life. Nobody likes doing the same thing day in and day out. That's a recipe for boredom and burnout. Keep your fitness routine exciting by incorporating variety. Try different types of exercise: cardio, strength training, yoga, swimming, dancing, hiking. The options are endless. Explore new activities and find what you enjoy most. Switching up your workouts not only prevents boredom but also challenges your body in new ways, leading to better results. Remember, fitness should be fun. Choose activities you genuinely enjoy, and you'll be more likely to stick with them long-term. Celebrate milestones. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a victory worth celebrating. Whether it's a short walk in the park or a challenging weightlifting session, each effort you make is a testament to your commitment and determination. Acknowledge your progress and reward yourself along the way. Tracking your achievements, whether through a fitness app or a personal journal, helps you visualize your journey and stay motivated. Did you complete a week of consistent workouts? Amazing! Consistency is key in any fitness journey, and recognizing this milestone is crucial. Treat yourself to a healthy meal or a new workout outfit. These small rewards can make a big difference in maintaining your enthusiasm and drive. Did you reach a personal best in your running time? Fantastic! Personal records are a clear indication of your progress and hard work. Share your achievement with friends and family. Celebrating with others not only boosts your morale but also inspires those around you to pursue their own fitness goals. Celebrating milestones reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated. It's a way to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. It's a reminder that you're capable of achieving your goals. Each milestone, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process, enjoy the moments of progress, and learn from the challenges. Enjoy the process and celebrate every step of the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory in itself. Keep moving, keep celebrating, and keep striving for your best. Your fitness journey. Starting a fitness journey can be both exciting and daunting. It's a path filled with highs and lows, but every step you take is a step towards a healthier you. Building lasting fitness habits is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about endurance, patience, and persistence. Just like a marathon, there will be moments when you feel like giving up. But pushing through those moments is what builds strength and character. There will be days when you don't feel like working out, and that's okay. Life happens. Maybe you had a long day at work, or perhaps you're just not feeling it. It's important to listen to your body and give yourself the rest you need. The key is to not let a few missed workouts derail your progress entirely. Everyone has setbacks, but it's how you respond to them that matters. Adjust your schedule, set new goals, and get back on track. Don't beat yourself up over setbacks. Instead, use them as learning experiences. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve. Celebrate your small victories and remind yourself of how far you've come. Simply acknowledge them, learn from them, and get back on track as soon as possible. Keeping a fitness journal can be a great way to track your progress and stay motivated. Write down your goals, your achievements, and even your setbacks. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. It's about making fitness a regular part of your life, even if it's just a short workout at home or a few stretches. Every little bit counts. It's about showing up for yourself most of the time, even when you don't feel like it. Those are the moments that truly count. They build resilience and determination. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and trust the process. Fitness is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Small, consistent actions will lead to remarkable results over time. Track your progress, make healthy choices, and stay committed. The results will come, and they will be worth the effort. Join the conversation. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to build lasting fitness habits, it's time to take action. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your current routine, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Remember, consistency is key. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but about making small, sustainable adjustments that you can stick with over the long term. Start by implementing one or two of the tips discussed today. Maybe it's incorporating a new exercise into your routine, or perhaps it's setting a specific, achievable goal for the week. Whatever it is, take that first step and build from there. Remember, the journey to a healthier lifestyle is more enjoyable when shared. Find a workout buddy, join a fitness class, or become part of an online community. Sharing your journey with others can provide motivation, accountability, and a sense of camaraderie. Connect with others, share your experiences, and support each other along the way. Hearing about others' successes and challenges can be incredibly inspiring and can help you stay committed to your own fitness journey. What are your biggest challenges when it comes to fitness? Is it finding the time to work out, staying motivated, or perhaps dealing with physical limitations? Identifying your obstacles is the first step in overcoming them. What strategies have worked best for you? Maybe it's setting a regular workout schedule, finding activities you enjoy, or tracking your progress. Share your tips and tricks with others who might be facing similar challenges. Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below. Your insights and experiences can be incredibly valuable to others on their fitness journeys. Plus, engaging with a community can provide you with new ideas and perspectives. And don't forget to check out my other articles and resources for more tips on building healthy habits and achieving your goals. From workout routines to nutrition advice, there's a wealth of information available to help you on your path to a healthier, happier you. You've got this.